Anyone who has suffered from a spinal injury understands the impact it can have not only on physical health but also on lifestyle and occupational choices. While less serious injuries such as whiplash can cause temporary pain and discomfort, damage to the spine has the potential to change the victim's life forever. Small wonder then, that more and more people affected by spinal injury look to solicitors to help them claim legal compensation. Far from simply providing a chance to assign blame, these claims can ultimately make a significant improvement to a victim's quality of life and even their prospects of recovery. What does spinal injury mean for a victim? We often think of the spine as merely the column of bones in our back that keeps us standing upright. Although this is partly true, fewer people know that a really vital part of the spine is contained within these bones. The spinal cord is a continuation of the brain, extending down the back, and giving rise to a complex network of nerves that spread out around the body. These nerves enable us to move our arms and legs, and also to feel sensations such as touch and pain. Traumatic injury to the spine, for example through a car accident or a fall, often damages these vital structures and affects the ability to move limbs or feel sensation. In extreme cases, partial or total paralysis may be the result, and this can be the most devastating consequence of spinal injury. Will compensation make a difference? The legal remedy can do more than simply cure the loss of income. A spinal injury claim can not only provide an opportunity to get justice, it can also provide the financial security and resources necessary to start rebuilding a life struck by spinal injury. Victims of damage to the spine almost always need specialist health care and medical attention. Financial settlements have given hundreds of spinal injury claimants the resources they need to gain access to this expert care, giving themselves the best possible hopes of effective recovery and lifestyle improvement. How do you choose the best solicitor? A spinal injury claim is different from other accidental injury claims in many ways. For victims seeking to enlist a solicitor to represent them, a key concern is the need to find a legal expert who is also expert in the field of spinal damage. Due to the seriousness of spinal injury, high figures are often awarded in compensation, but this is dependent on a watertight case, combining specialist medical opinion and legal knowledge about the consequences of this highly specific area of injury. A firm of solicitors specializing in spinal claims can draw on its network of medical contacts and detailed legal knowledge to build effective cases and win compensation for victims. This compensation often forms the vital foundation needed to rebuild a life interrupted by such a serious injury.